Hi, it's Karen
and Tim
from Stamping on the Back Porch, and our first order came from the brand new catalog, so I thought we could open it together. Yes, I overnighted it, so not in too much of a hurry or anything, but we'll open it together. As demonstrators, there were certain things that we could order early. Do you want to put the...
Yep, I'm trying to find the website.
Okay, I'll turn this around. Oh, it's always fun. Do you guys get excited when you get any new shipment of products? So I am going to This is it. I know some of you are demonstrators and you're waiting for what you are going to order.
There you go.
And did you know if you're not a demonstrator,
pull that thing out,
you can still order from this now if you decide you want to buy the starter kit. So let me know if that is appealing to you. And I'm going to dig in here and just see what we can find. A lot of these have dies, and it's, of course, I got everything that has the dies too. But I don't think I'll even know. Oh, birds and branches. I love anything to do with birds. So this is going to be an awesome new set. We've got the nests. And I like to hear from your reaction what sets are particularly exciting to you. Does this look good where I'm putting it? Okay. And this does have dies. Lovely you. Okay, this is really a cool set. It is coming with a new punch. And I love things with punches. And of course, can I find the punch? That makes different kinds. Oh, here we go. Different sizes and lengths. You can make like 6 different widths and corners with this punch. This is going to be really fun. And then these are words designed just to fit right in. So this is going to be, I just know, a whole lot of fun to do. And I go by your guys' reactions, what things are fun to share first. Oh, Forever Fern is beautiful. And I know there's paper to go with this one. So let me pull out some paper down here. This is Lovely Fern paper, and I'm sure there's dies. You know the dies I just won't pull out, but let's open this. I love paper, so it's always fun to get new paper. Okay. Ah, yes. Okay, these are going to be just beautiful. So, oh, lovely, and I love that stripes. You know, you get 12 pages, so you can use both, 12 sheets, and they're both double-sided, so really you can use one of each. A whole sheet of each. And yes, I will be doing paper shares, so just watch for that. And embellishment shares and everything else. Ooh, that is really fun paper. That's a very exciting set. And let's see. Ooh, Blossoms in Bloom. And this has dies too. I go over it. So I think this one's going to be really an interesting set to work with. Okay, people are loving the ferns and the paper. Okay, oh, and sunflowers. You know, I'm really missing the sunflower set that is leaving, so we're thrilled to have another sunflower set. I think this is just beautiful. And of course, I'm doing these out of order, so let me see. We have, let's going to see about the dies. We have sunflower dies, so they have dies. But we aren't going to be opening those anyway. So, but a whole lot of these have dies. Oh, and this is really fun. I really miss the Jar of Love. I use that so much. Look at this fun jar set that also has a punch. So you can punch out the jar, and not only punches, but there are, let's see. Oh, I have a bum wrist here, so I am. But there are window dies to do. I don't see them, but they should be in here. But this is going to be pretty awesome. And then we have Tasteful Touches. Oh, now I think this is another beautiful, just a beautiful set. Love the different scripts, the words, and the things in this one. Oh, good. You can hear me better? Yeah, I'm really trying to learn to use a mic. You know, we've only been doing this, for 2.5 years, and we're finally getting mic'd. now because this is pretty far away. Ooh, and I love this. Look at comfort and hope. I love things that have fun little background kinds of things too. And I always look at the styling of words, you know, and word choices are always fun. Yeah, I don't really have a rhyme or reason since I haven't looked at these first and I won't remember what even goes together, but many mates. Oh, good. Word sets are always fun. Let me see. This is because you make me smile. This calls for a huge celebration. Today is all about you. You totally earned it. Anyway, so just fun and some fun little different words. It's always nice to have word choices. And another one that I am really excited about is this, Beautiful World. I love things with globes. Anything that has to do with travel and world things. And these also will be great masculine cards if you struggle with that. Now, it has memories of more and more cards with it. So you can make some really fast cards with that. There are dies to go with this. And there is paper to go with this. A bunch of these come in sweets. So yes, so I will deal with sweets later. I should... you know, if I had my notes here and we just organize everything, but no, I'm just diving in. That's just kind of how I roll. So we're just, look at this stunning paper. Now we've got gold foil here. Oh, and the lovely backgrounds. I'm really excited to dive in with these. Love the compass. I just love this whole theme. Oh, and isn't that just stunning? So tomorrow for our regular Facebook Live, I will be doing something with one of these new products, and I have no idea what yet. I have a little time to play.
Go back to the beginning. I want to show the back of the first ones. It's actually the
world map there. Oh, how cool is that? This is really fun paper. Okay. Kathleen says she has bought a stamp set before for just one saying, oh yes. How many of us can relate to that? One stamp will make it, and then you just think the others are a bonus, which is really fun. Okay, and all these fun dies. Here is an old world paper, 3D embossing. So this is going to work really nicely with that too. Looks like this. And way more. And here's the birds dies, so all kinds of dies. And look at some fun, these gold little hoops, kind of for spotlighting or what all. We're just not sure yet. Have to wait till I play with it. A Field of Flowers has another punch that goes with it. And I do love things with punches because, you know, especially for any of you who don't have the Big Shot. Oh yeah, and there is a new machine in the catalog, so wait till you get your catalog. If you need a catalog, make sure you just go to my website, KarenTitus.com, and click on free catalogs. If you aren't currently working with another demonstrator, if you have ordered, because you should get it from them, but if you've ordered from me in the last 6 months, you're automatically getting one. You're on the list. You don't need to do anything. Tasteful Textile. Oh, this looks like a really nice embossing folder too. My favorite is the subtles. I use it all the time. And this looks like it's going to be another kind of a nice little weave in the background. And then new ribbons. Oh, and now we better see the new in colors. Oh, well, look at this pretty paper. And you know what? I don't even know the name. Somebody will probably know the name. No, this is all the in colors. Does it say on here? It doesn't say on here. So I have to look it up. You guys are going to have to match the color to the name when we do it, but I'm just going to fan them out here because I think whenever there are new colors, it just changes up everything you do because it just gives you a new palette to work with. Those are some beautiful colors. And we have a whole range from different color families. And you'll just notice them more when you put them up against colors that you already have. And then along the same lines, this is the new In Color Designer Series paper. There's always something in a 6x6 that has, the in colors. Oh, this is really fun. So the one side of the papers look like this. And again, aren't they just fun colors? So this is one side. You get sheets of each. And then the prints on the other side are these. Well, how cool is that? So these are like a wood grain, and these are like a, I don't know, just kind of a fun background. So anyway, that's exciting. Let me know what your favorite thing is here, because it'll help me decide what to do. Let me put it back up. And tomorrow at 1, we'll be back creating something out of something like this. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you need a catalog. Let me know if you are interested in getting things out of this right now and want to think about the starter kit. There's no obligation, and you can just call me and just chat. So call me, message me, email me, anything. We're all home, so it's easy to reach. So keep all that in mind, and thanks for watching. This is going to be really fun as we dive into all these new products. Talk to you later.
Bye.